¿Qué onda, guys? It's your boy Jorgito, and we are back with another video, guys. So we got something special today, man. We're here with Black Cobra Auto Detailing and Super Cobra Auto Detailing, and my seats are filthy. Mine are the cloth seats. They have stains. This is probably a little over 22, 23-year-old truck, and so it's built up stains and all types of stuff. And rather than replacing the seats, because again, that can get pretty expensive, we decided to see if the seat cleaner does actually work, man. So for that, you're gonna need some dirty seats. So this is what I'm working with right now, guys. I told you this is look at those, man, that is bad. Yeah, so this is a 24-year-old truck. These stains have been here for years, I'm sure. I barely bought this truck like earlier this year, so none of these stains are mine. So no kids of mine are here. And then this is filthy, guys, filthy. Filthy, filthy, filthy. That side has a seat cover on it, so I'm assuming that either that one's dirtier or it's cleaner because of the seat cover. Yeah, guys, as you can tell, we got a pretty dirty canvas to work with, man. So we're gonna hit it with an extractor machine and see if it actually cleans everything here, man. So here's the extractor. It's supposed to get it pretty clean. We got the water hose hooked up. I got my boy Juan right here on his day off in the pajamas, ready to work and see what we can do for these seats. Let me take this off. I haven't seen what this looks like. Okay. What the hell is that?
From the seat cover.
Oh, this? Okay, so this is from the seat cover, guys. This isn't me. Not sure how long this thing has been on there, but I'm pretty sure sometime we're just gonna go ahead and chunk it in the trash, guys. Say what? He said I can clean and wash his truck too.
First step, get this shit together. Put the water, add the carpet cleaner, which is this one right here.
Yeah, carpet cleaner.
Yeah, this
And
one.
put it into the extractor. What is this called? Well, Backmaster Professional. So we'll see how professional that works.
The water from the extractor, get it wet, really suck it wet.
It's all slippery.
Now that you had it wet, you wanna use a brush to scrub around the seat. After that, you're gonna extract all the juice from the seat.
Guys, check this out. So look, we got a more even seat color there. Look at these stains. So this was before, after. That is crazy, man. Crazy. We have an even color of the seat now, because I think the seats were originally brown. And look at this. Before, after. Before, after. That's what 10 minutes in. 10 minutes in what this extractor can do. And this is a 24-year-old truck, so that says a lot, man. There's been a lot of stains that's been on here.
A lot of booties, parties in there.
Heck yeah, we fit about 2 girls here. We fit 2 or 3 girls in the back.
You know what I'm saying?
Bitches running wild, man.
Let's just scrub, main thing.
You do just seats, or you can do, what all can you do with the extractor?
You can use seats, carpet.
Carpet.
That's the main thing for this.
What about headliner?
Headliner, I have something different for headliner.
Some different?
Use it with air compressor. So you have to go around the headliner. Like, for example, in this kind of headliner, you can work with that. Or you can even do it because it will pull it.
Yeah. We're done with cleaning the seats. Now
Let's
it's time
see
to
the
get
chocolate.
rid of this dirty water. See how bad it is. Oh man, guys, that's what was in my seats. There's like 5 kids laying right there. Look at this. Super. You know, remember how many stains were on here? Super big difference from what it looked like before we had all these stains. The ones I really remember are the ones right here and right there. All the stains, and now all the colors are evenly brown. These were brown seats originally, so brown and gray. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed this short vlog, man. Shout out to my boy Juan at Black Cobra Auto Detailing and Super Cobra Auto Detailing for hooking us up with these seats cleaners, man. It's crazy, crazy difference, and brought some life back to some 24-year-old seats, guys. 24 years of stains and God knows what, man. Throw a little bit of black ice in there. You know, we rock with the black ice. Do you like black ice, bro?
Mm-hmm. Fucking.
Never took you for someone who would like black ice. So you like black guys?
The air freshener?
No,
Yeah.
black guys.
No. You stupid.
Got him! Got him!
Yeah, but now that we got this black ice in here smelling good, seats look good, put some life back into these 24-year-old seats. So guys, I appreciate you watching this video. Make sure you go give Black Cobra Auto Detailing a follow on Facebook. Next time, man, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, stop, man.